Okay, family and friends, had a request today for my daughter. She asked me if I know how to make fried chicken. Well, I do know how to make fried chicken. So because I'm making this for my family, it's gonna be all basic and easy for them to cook. So first, I went and bought me some quarter leeks. I cut them up, cleaned them up, and dried them up from the water. So they're ready to go. I got my basic flour, about 2 cups. I'm going to add some salt to it, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. That's it. Basic spices. I know because I'm not making it spicy for them, you can add paprika, chili pepper. Yeah, you can add hot sauce to the batter. I mean, you name it. There's many ways out there on how to make fried chicken. But because I'm making it Sanchez style, and it's for my family and kids, it's all basic and it's gonna taste good. I'm gonna be using my deep fryer. So I'm not gonna be using the stove or it's gonna be cooked in peanut oil. So okay, let me get started. I'm gonna make the flour mix. This is all basic, all-purpose flour. It's about 2 cups. Gonna add about a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm not good at measuring, but I only guess. Could use some onion powder. It's gonna be about a tablespoon. Throw in some garlic powder in there, about a tablespoon as well. And some pepper. This is probably the only spice that the kids are gonna taste on this fried chicken. I'll be throwing everything in there as far as spice, just to make it spicy, but not today. Okay, so what you do, go ahead and mix that flour up. Get it all ready. Enjoy my background music. Can't cook without my music, or I can't cook without at least having my cold drink right next to me. See? No, I'm not gonna burn myself. Okay, once you get that mixed up, I'm gonna start with the batter, and the only thing that I'm gonna use is a couple eggs and about half a cup of milk. Okay, I got my 2 eggs in there. So now I'm gonna add my milk. You know, the options are out there is you can use buttermilk as well. I mean, this is basically the same thing. Or a lot of people out there use just eggs and water. But Sanchez style fried chicken is milk and eggs. That's it. It's just gonna help me get that that flour stuck on that chicken, so it'll bake nice and even. Get that mixed up. So your eggs are all mixed up. Okay, once you do that, I got my nice little glass pans here on the side. I'm going to pour that in there, but I still see streaks of eggs, so I'm going to ahead and make sure that it's all mixed up nicely. I hear my deep fryer popping over there. I set it at about 325. Once it gets to 325, then it's good to go. You can start throwing this chicken in there. Okay. So I just want to make sure that the eggs are nice and mixed up in here with no streaks. Okay. Now we're gonna call what we do double dipping. I'll go ahead and get this chicken in the eggs first. Get it nice and wet so it'll get that flour. Whoa, got flour going everywhere here. Well, if you ain't making a mess, that means you ain't cooking. Alright, and shake off that excess. Double dip into the batter. Shake off that excess and throw it back into the flour. That is it. That's gonna be your crust. And that's how you do this chicken. Okay, I already got all the batter on my chicken. Tell you what, you know, you want to get messy, the fingers are gonna get really messy with that flour. But this is the result. Just make sure that you got them all covered. I already got my my deep fryer set at 325. I'm gonna be ready to put them in there. If you don't have a deep fryer, then you know skillet will work as long as you have that temperature up at above 325 and the max 375. Okay, we gotta make sure that the chicken is cooked up to 165 degrees, so you're not eating no raw chicken. This chicken here is gonna be cooked. It's gonna be in the fryer for about 20 minutes. And okay, let's see what happens. Well, that's my first batch, 20 minutes. As you can see, they're nice, gold brown, crispy. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. Now I'm just gonna put it in a bowl and with paper towels and let it sit and let it cool down for a little bit while I throw in my next batch.